2024 is already here. Let's talk about what will be the hottest fashion trends and what will fade away. Ultra-oversized anything. While oversized clothing has been a trend for a while, 2024 could be the end of it is redundant. This includes extremely oversized suits, shirts, and pants. The trend of baggy clothes has been going on for quite a few years, and 2024 could be the end of it. But any trend needs a little time to shift. Instead of oversized clothes, tailored trousers, shirts, and blazers going to take place this year. 2024 could be the revival of the slim fit jeans. However, they are not the super skinny jeans of the past, but a slightly different version that aligns with the current fashion trends. But it's not just about the fit, it's about the balance. Pairing these tailored pieces with the right accessories can create a look that's both comfortable and chic. Jacket. Rev up your style engines because racing gear jackets are speeding into the fashion fast lane this year. With their bold designs and vibrant colors, these jackets are the ultimate statement pieces, ready to transform any basic outfit into a head turner. Whether you're going for a polished look with tailored trousers or keeping it laid back with jeans, a racing jacket is the versatile must-have for any modern wardrobe. And let's talk about the leather jacket's big 2024 comeback. It's not just a return, it's a revolution. Merging classic charm with cutting-edge style, these jackets are proving to be more than just a fleeting trend. They're a fashion investment with serious longevity. So, whether you're a biker or a banker, it's time to embrace the leather jackets and make it your own. Let's move to shoes. The fashion forecast suggests that the reign of bulky footwear is coming to an end, making way for a more streamlined and classic aesthetic. This year, we're lacing up easy fit sneakers, a comfortable and stylish alternative that's perfect for those on-the-go moments. These sneakers are all about merging functionality with fashion, offering a relaxed fit without compromising on style. But it's not just about sneakers. Classic boots and loafers are also making a triumphant return, proving that timeless styles never truly fade away. These footwear staples are versatile, effortlessly transitioning from casual to formal settings. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more classic videos.